Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking to you about how I made over £450 in under 1 hour's work. So it all started at the height of the coronavirus when everything was getting shut down in March 2020 and the economy was taking a massive dive. And I was thinking to myself about how I could potentially profit from this and kind of turn a bad situation into some sort of benefit, which is where I came across index funds. And for those of you that don't know, an index fund is essentially a very low-cost way of investing in an economy or a large group of assets, such as the FTSE 100, which is what I've done in this case, which are the 100 largest companies in the UK. But essentially you have index funds and funds across different countries, different markets. So for example, you can invest in the top 500 companies in the US. And the benefit is that rather than choosing one company to invest in, you can invest in a large group so that it's more diversified. Because if, say, you'd invested in Apple, and if Apple becomes bankrupt, then your money is just gone. Whereas if you invest in the top 100 companies or the top 500 companies or the top 250 companies in a specific country, it's the average performance of those companies rather than one. So it's a lot more risk-free. So that being said, in March 2020, I realised that I was looking at the FTSE 100, kind of monitoring its progress, and I realised that it had dropped quite a bit. And in my mind, that was a temporary thing. It's because of coronavirus, loads of businesses had shut, which means less people are spending money, causing the economy to, well, in this case, the top 100 companies in the UK, drop share price. So I then found a company called Vanguard, which is one of the very well-known, I guess, stockbroking websites. And what it allows you to do is invest in a wide range of funds. And I just chose to invest in the FTSE 100. And what I'll do is take it onto my screen now and you can kind of show how it's evolved. In the year and a half that I've had it, I've put in 2,546 and the current value is £3,002.30, and that's the profit that I've made. So when you start an index fund with Vanguard, you have to put a minimum of £500, which is what I did, and a minimum of £100 per month into it. So that's how I've got this 2,546. So most of the time I'll be putting in £100 every month, and more recently I've increased that to 150. As you can see, it has taken a year and a half for me to make that, but I put very, very small amount of time, just the initial setup, and then changing it from £100 a month to £150 a month. And in the future I might increase this, or I might invest in a different index fund, just so that all my money on Vanguard isn't in that one fund. In this case, £100 a month is the minimum amount to invest on Vanguard, but there are other websites and other stockbrokers where you don't have to have £100 minimum, you can make it £50. And the longer you have it in there, the longer you have for compound interest to work, the more money you're going to have later on. So I think that's a great way for those that aren't interested or don't want to invest in property to be able to essentially get their money to work for them. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do have any comments, please comment them down below. And if you wouldn't mind hitting the subscribe button, that'd be much appreciated. And I'll see you in the next one.